How to make Dutch Oliebollen. Oliebollen are a type of donut that are typically eaten in the Netherlands around the holidays. These delicious treats are made from a yeast-based dough that is mixed with raisins and th. If you're interested in making oliebollen at home, here's a recipe that you can try. Ingredients: 4 cups all-purpose flour, ½ cup sugar, 2 packets of instant yeast, 1 cup raisins, 1½ cups lukewarm water, ½ a teaspoon salt, vegetable oil for frying, powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. Mix well. Add the lukewarm water to the bowl, and mix until you have a smooth, sticky dough. The dough should be thick enough to hold its shape, but not too thick that it becomes difficult to mix. Add the raisins to the dough and mix well, making sure that they are evenly distributed. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 hour. The dough should double in size. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pot or deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Using a spoon or ice cream scoop, drop spoonfuls of dough into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry the oliebollen for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until they are golden brown. Remove the oliebollen from the oil using a slotted spoon, and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain off any excess oil. Dust the oliebollen with powdered sugar before serving, and enjoy while they are still warm. Oliebollen are a delicious and festive treat that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're celebrating the holidays or just want to try something new, this recipe is a great way to explore. Oliebollen are traditionally eaten in the Netherlands around New Year's Eve, but they can be enjoyed throughout the winter months. The name oliebollen literally translates to oil balls in English, which refers to the fact that the dough is deep-fried in oil. While raisins are the most common filling for oliebollen, you can also experiment with other fillings like chopped apples, currants, or even chocolate chips. Some people like to add a splash of rum or brandy to the dough for added flavor, but this is optional.